Hey guys, if you watched my previous video, you learned about the macOS Finder quick actions, which we just learned about as well. Super exciting. And now there is a new thing that I just learned about the quick actions, and that is that you can create your own quick action. So if it's something that you do quite often, for instance, I resize images quite often to 560 by 380, I'm going to see if I can create a quick action that will automatically resize an image to 560 by 380. So basically what you have to first do is go to your Launchpad. Up here in the search, type in Automator. There he is. All right, so we have our Automator open, and now we're going to select Quick Action. Great. Let's see, New. There we go. And we're going to choose Quick Action. And we're going to hit Choose. And here is where we're going to select what we want to create. So let's say we'll say any application. And let's say we're going to select photos. Okay, so we want to choose, let's see, library, we want to choose photos. Right there. And we're going to choose scale image right here. So here's basically what this is. That's what it is you're going to be changing. And then here is the action that you're going to be adding. So you can play with this as much as you want. We're going to basically try to scale an image. So basically we're going to scale it. We're going to choose, nope. I guess we choose photos and scale images. So we're dragging it there. Okay. So far so good. We're going to select, we would like to add a copy finder items action, so yes, we do want to do that. So we want to hit add here. All right. So now we're going to copy them to where we want them to be, and we want them to be in the download folder. And we do not want to replace existing files. We want it to rename it, and we want to scale it to, let's see, so 560 is the width that I want it to. And it gives it by percentage or by size. So you can also change it by percentage and say 50%. So let's do that. Let's actually change it to 50%. All right. All right. Add a file rename. So we're going to do that. We're going to go to library, and we're going to go to files and folders. And then we're going to go to rename, and we're going to drag it right there. And we're going to say OK. And we want to add text, and we're going to say scaled 50%. That way I know what I did with it after the name. So it's going to rename it, whatever it is, and say scaled 50%. All right, so now that's it. I've gone ahead and set it to save it in the downloads. Yep, scale the image by 50% and make a copy of it and put it in here. So that looks right. Image files. Aha, we got to change that. And now we want to go to File, Save, and scale 50%. So we're going to give it a name, and then we're going to click Save. All right, so now let's check it out and see if it worked. We're going to come over here to our downloads file, and we're going to find any image. Let's say this one. I'm going to right click, go to quick actions. Now wait, before I do that, let's look at it. This image is 4,596 by 3,450. So pretty big. Quick actions, scale 50%. There it is. Let's see. Did it work? It did. 2298 by 1725. Way cool. That's awesome. It actually brings the size down quite a bit, which I use these all the time, and I constantly have trouble inserting them into emails because they're too big. So that solves a huge problem and makes my life so much easier. Way cool, guys. Now you know you can play with these to create a quick action of your own with your Mac OS Finder quick actions. You can create your own custom. That's pretty awesome. And if you enjoyed this, please subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions or anything, if you need anything regarding a real estate website, give us a call or shoot us an email over to support@yoursiteneedsme.com.